Are you missing the Interop Shdocvw.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. Before we begin our Interop Shdocvw troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Interop Shdocvw, a .NET Interop Assembly for the Microsoft Shell Doc Object and Control Library, Hdocv.dll. It enables managed applications to host a localized instance of the Internet Explorer web browser control, managing localized navigation events, cookie handling, and HTML document object model DOM access. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Interop Shdocvw.dll. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Interop Shdocvw file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Manual intervention with Interop Shdocvw.dll is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Interop Shdocvw and system configuration. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Interop Shdocvw today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.